I've just been to Navala to also commission the electricity, where I also said that the power of affordable and reliable electricity is undeniable. It ranks among the most critical pillars of development of any country anywhere in the world, and Fiji is no different. And every Fijian deserves to share in these life-changing benefits that electricity provides. Access to reliable electricity is the difference between roadside business shutting its doors at sunset or remaining open to provide income for its owner. Excuse me. It is the difference between a student, like those sitting in front of us, having to close his books for the evening, or being able to read and study into the night. And very importantly, it is the difference between a dangerous and unnerving walk in darkness or a safe and well-lit journey home. And very importantly, it's the difference between missing out on our Fijians, flying Fijians play, or being part of the action of our TV, radio, or social media to experience victories, such as our dominating performance at the Hamilton Sevens this past weekend. But seriously, the bottom line is that access to electricity spans the difference between a dark and uncertain tomorrow and a bright and prosperous and promising future. I've also said in Navala that as Prime Minister, I've had the privilege of overseeing a massive expansion of access to electricity and electric powers across towns, communities, and to some of the most remote maritime and deep rural pockets of Fiji. Our most recent census shows we've expanded access to electricity to 96% of our population, a remarkable achievement. And today I'm proud to officially open the Namao grid extension this afternoon. This extension will directly power the lives of over 120, am I correct, 120 families? Sorry, 153 households. The school and the community as a whole. The completion of this extension is the end result of thoughtful planning, long-term thinking, and a steady flow of investment from our government. Over the past 5 years, we've given funding of $224 million towards the energy sector. And that's an historic amount of funding, and 70 cents of every dollar spent has gone directly to funding rural electrification. Over 25,000 Fijian households have felt the benefits of that development, but we're not resting on our laurels. In our most recent budget, we've set aside an additional $60 million to add another 6,623 households to that number, including the 153 households of your community. My government has shouldered the entire $3 million cost of this development. $3 million sparing your community from any financial contribution. We've done away with that old practice for the benefit of our people. I've also said in Navala, and I'm saying it here in Namao this afternoon, that on top of that, for families who earn less than $30,000, $30,000 a year, we'll fund 50% of your monthly electricity bill up to 100 kilowatt hours. To enjoy that benefit, I've also said that you'll simply need to register with Energy Fiji Limited our national energy provider. Because it's not enough to simply provide you with access to power. I believe we must provide power you can afford. I've got competition there somewhere. But it's nice. Nice to hear kids singing. It means they're enjoying life. There's only one way that such historic funding towards our infrastructure and services is possible, and that is through our growing economy. And when our economy grows, the national cake will all share grows with it, and we'll all get a bigger slice. I've continuously said that under my leadership, our economy has charted a record 9 unbroken years of economic growth, and we've headed into our 10th straight year in 2019. That means we're headed for even greater prosperity and even greater opportunity for every Fijian. I know that previously many in your community were relying on diesel generators. I know how stressful that can be. Generators alone cannot shoulder the energy demands of an entire community, especially school. They are too unreliable, too unwieldy, and they can end up being very expensive. Being on the grid, like here in Namau, brings an entirely new level of reliability, affordability, and it brings cleaner power that is much less harmful to our natural environment and the air we breathe. Today, as the community, the village of Navala, today in Namau, you take a great step forward for your community. One that will power the lives of your people for generations, bringing a higher standard of living for your people today, and new expectations for young people for what your community can achieve. Your future is bright, and I assure you that my government will be there to support your aspirations and dreams for that future with more development, more services, and more opportunity for every family in the community. Nawalewu, thank you, and God bless you all.
Class one?
Class 1 here.
Come, class one.
Come, class 1.
Come here, join here. Class one here, pull. Pull together. Pull. Okay, pull this way. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Naka.
Come on. Okay. You can reach for this. Orang dua.
Oh!